Hi friends, it's Amber and I am finally back with my next craft fair idea. And actually this is not my idea, it's another episode of Crafting with Bri. So this is my sister Bri's idea. These are decorative, I guess we're going to call them Christmas bath bombs. So when she came up with this idea and made these, I just fell in love with them. They are so cute and they are the perfect stocking stuffer. So she just made these so dolled up and so adorable, and they're really simple to make. So we're just going to do a quick tutorial. This is her kind of showing you the ones she already made, and we're going to just do a quick tutorial here to show you what Bri did, show you kind of some of the supplies she used, and so maybe you can go out and make some of these really adorable bath bombs as well. These would also make like the perfect gift if you paired it with some like fuzzy socks and maybe like a nice book, and or maybe some bath salts or some candles, and you can make like a pamper package that would be so pretty for like one of your friends or relatives or something. That would just be a really nice gift. So let's go ahead and get started, and Bri's going to go over some of the, well, I'm going to be talking, but she's going to show you some of the materials that she used. Okay, so this is super easy. All you really need is some tulle, some bath bombs, and some ribbon, and then you can add any other decorative things. So she picked these up at Big Lots, and she also found some at Dollar Tree. The ones from Big Lots, though, she did find peppermint scent. So if you wanted to do Christmas ones, she did find some at Big Lots. I believe they were in a package of 10 for $5. So she did find some fun scents. I think she had lavender, peppermint, and I cannot remember the last one, but she's working with some peppermint ones here. And she really didn't measure, she just kind of estimated the tulle. So you can see here kind of how much she's going to lay out, and she's going to do a couple layers. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up because it's really not that hard to follow. It's pretty much self-explanatory, where you have to get enough tulle, cut and lay down to, wrap up around the bath bomb, just depending how big your bath bomb is. And I'll tell you right now, you guys, I'm doing this voiceover after our craft fair, and people loved these bath bombs. They just really, really fell in love with them. We had them on this like galvanized, tiered little, I don't even know what to call it. It's like one of those things you put on your kitchen table, but it's like tiered, and so it has 3 tiered shelves on it, or little platters, I guess. But we had them all set up on there, and they were so cute, the little display. And you'll see more what I'm talking about when I post my craft fair video, that I did a little video on our craft fair. I'm going to do a video for that, and then I'm going to also do a craft fair recap, by the way. So stay tuned for that. But as you can see, she's just layering strips of this green tulle, like kind of crisscross across each other, so that every angle has a piece of tulle. So she can just bunch it up around the bath bomb and tie it with a pretty ribbon. And those sparkly ribbons there to the left of the screen are from Dollar Tree. I haven't seen those from Dollar Tree in the years past. I've seen the velvet ones, but this year they had the pretty red and green sparkly glittery ones. And so now she's taking some red tulle and just doing the same thing. She's just layering strips every which way, crisscrossing them in different directions to get, to make sure that they're in all directions, so that she can gather them all up, all the corners and all the sides, to wrap around the bath bomb. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so you can see how she does this, and it's so easy. You guys can go out and do it right now. Tulle is always on sale at Hobby Lobby, so go over there. They have the Christmas colors right now, and make these for some gifts. I hope you enjoy. everybody. Bri put so many of these together and they're so cute. I love the adorable design that she created. And so you can go out and get some bath bombs and do this too. I like how she kind of took that little glittery bow apart and added the jingle bells. It makes it so festive. And so these are the perfect stocking stuffer, like I said, the perfect little gift or favor. And I just want to thank Bri for being a guest crafter on my channel again. Here's all the cute ones that she made. And we were busy making crafts this night. This was before our last craft fair. She had made these, but she made a few more because we had some new cute Christmas ribbon that I got at Michael's. And so I'm going to try to link everything that we use below, and I'll find some products on Amazon that are kind of comparable to the Big Lots big bag of bath bombs, if I can find them on Amazon for you. So I hope that you are enjoying your week. I hope everybody has a great weekend. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your incredible support, and enjoy your weekend. Bye!